Hello mga sangkay, okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are just new with my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so whenever I have a new video tutorial uploaded on my channel, you are always notified. So in this video tutorial, I will be sharing to you on how to make a basic 2-point perspective. Okay, so in the succeeding videos, I will share with you on how to make this kind of perspective, and thank you, stay tuned. Hello guys, as I promised, in this video tutorial I will share with you on how to make the basic perspective. So in this video tutorial we will make three kinds of perspective. Number one, the man's eye view. Number two, the bird's eye view. And number three is the worm's eye view. Okay, let's go. So by the way, we will be making only a freehand sketch, meaning we will not be using any kind of drawing instrument except pencil and your medium, which is the paper. And me, I am using a clutch pencil, which is this one like this. But if you do not have the clutch pencil, you can use the ordinary pencil that you have. Okay. First step, let us establish our horizon line. So from the center of your paper, approximately draw a horizontal line from here going there. Okay. It is not necessary to be perfect horizontal. Remember that we will only be making a freehand drawing. Then exactly as well on your paper, draw a vertical line. Okay, that's it. Okay, this horizontal line, this is what we call the horizon line. Okay, from here, this one is what we call the horizon line. Okay, this one. Then on your horizon line, let us establish the two vanishing point. Remember that we will be making a 2-point perspective. Okay, so meaning we will only be using two vanishing point, because in more videos that I will be producing, I will also share with you on how to make the 3-point, the 4-point, and the multi-point perspective. Okay, since this is only basic, we will be using the 2-point perspective. So on your left side, let us mark here, and on your right side, let us mark here, and let us level this one as, this one is L, B, P, and on your right side, this is, let us level this one as R, B, P. L, V, P means left vanishing point, and RV, P is the right vanishing point. Okay. Then the horizon line, let us little bit make this one darker. The horizon line. The definition of horizon line is, this is the meeting point of the sky and earth. For example, if you are in the Manila Bay in the afternoon, the sun set exactly on this horizon line. Okay. Now let us start making our object. Since this is only an introduction on how to make perspective, we will not make a complicated figure. We will just make a simple cube. For example, this is the height of my cube. So the first perspective that we will make is the man's eye view. So this is our approximately the height of our object or the cube. From left vanishing point, let us project a line going to the height of our object from here to there. Okay, draw slowly. then going there. Then also from the right vanishing point, let us draw a line going to the height of our object from here to the vanishing point, then going as well there. Okay, if you are satisfied, then it's fine. Then this is the width of my object, and this is my length. Okay, so I have now here. See? Okay, let's darken the edges of our cube. Okay, for example, let's draw an image, a person here standing, for example. Okay. Second, let us make the bird's eye view. Let's say this is the height of our cube, approximately the same with this one. Okay. From this point, let us again project a line from here to there. Okay. Then from here as well, going to our right vanishing point. Okay. Then from this line, okay, then let's darken the edges. Okay. Let's darken the edges. Then last, let us make the worm's eye view. This is the height, approximately the same as well here. So from this point to our left vanishing point, let us project again a line. Okay. Then also here. Okay. Then this same width. So from this intersection, let us project a line. Okay, then also there. Okay, so we have now this one, and let us okay. Now let us darken all the edges. Okay, now, for example, my source of light is coming from here. For example, this is our sun. Okay, and the sun rays goes like here. Let us make some shading on the dark side, the darker side of our object. Okay. So here and also here, maybe here a little bit. Okay, so now we finished our three type of perspective. Okay. Okay, bingo. It's done. For example, let's label this one. Okay. This one is the worm's eye view, and this is the man's eye view, and this is the bird's eye view. Okay, so for example, this is the person standing on the object. The it's emphasized on the worm's eye view. It's emphasized the more the bottom parts of the object. In the man's eye view, more on the frontal part, and in the bird's eye view, it's emphasized the top part of the object. Okay, so again, the technical term that we use in this tutorial is the number one. Okay, let's say the technical term. The horizon line. The LBP, or the left vanishing point, and in the RBP, the right vanishing point. Okay. Hope you learned a lesson on this topic, and hope to see you on my succeeding video tutorial when it comes to freehand sketching. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.